Cough and throat infection. Respoimmune helps in reducing allergic cough, non-productive cough. Spray 2 to 3 times on the area of the throat shown. Take a glass of hot water. Add 6 sprays of Respoimmune liquid. Stir it well and deep gargle it up to 2 to 3 times a day.
Stay safe, stay healthy.